Hello cute kids. Today we are going to learn how to draw a tomato. Let's start. Let's color the tomato with red color. This is red color. This is green color. See how beautiful the tomato is looking. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.